If Earth had rings like Saturn, our planet's appearance and life would change in fascinating ways. Earth's rings would be the most breathtaking sight in the sky. Depending on your location, they might appear as a glowing arch stretching across the horizon. Near the equator, they would be most prominent, while at the poles, they might be barely visible. At night, they could reflect sunlight, creating a perpetual twilight effect. Rings would cast shadows on Earth's surface, potentially cooling certain regions. This could affect weather patterns, possibly creating colder areas beneath the rings while altering wind and ocean currents. The rings would be made of ice and rock particles orbiting the Earth. This could pose a challenge for satellites, space stations, and space travel, as navigating through the rings would be risky. Because the rings would reflect sunlight, nights might never be completely dark in some places. This could affect nocturnal animals and even human sleep cycles, as true darkness might be rare. Animals that rely on the natural light cycle, like birds using the stars for navigation, could struggle. The ring's presence might also influence plant growth by altering sunlight exposure in certain regions. For Earth to have rings, it would need a major celestial event, like a moon breaking apart due to gravity or a giant asteroid impact spreading debris into orbit. However, Earth's gravity and atmosphere would likely cause any rings to gradually fall back down over time. Yes, while the rings would change our climate and environment in some ways, they wouldn't make Earth uninhabitable, just different. The planet would still support life, but it might evolve to adapt to the new conditions. In short, if Earth had rings, our world would be both beautiful and slightly different from what we know today. It would change our climate, our night sky, and even how we explore space.